Today I'm going to show you these tube squeezers that I got. They're 8 in a pack and they come packaged like this, each one individually wrapped. You can use it with toothpaste, with cream, aluminium, squeeze like this, also this kind of material. So you get 8 different colors of these tube squeezers. So the way that you use it is you take the squeeze tool and you take your toothpaste cream and put it through the hole right in the middle like that. So as you're using it, you just kind of pull this section out and you can see it's squeezing everything to the bottom. So once you push it through the hole, now you can pull it and you'll be able to pull your toothpaste tube squeezer, and you can see how much it flattens everything so that you don't waste toothpaste. So you see that? See the difference? Awesome.